In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete columns in Google Sheets. There are 3 easy methods, and here's the first one. First, you're going to select the column that you want to delete. You can do this by selecting the column, or you can easily just click on the column at the top. That's column A. Let's go to Edit, select on Delete, and click on column A. Now you've successfully deleted the first column with the numbers. Let's try that with another method. Click on the column you want to delete, right-click on that, and delete column. And we've successfully deleted column B. Now let's say you want to delete the empty columns on the right side. You can easily do that by clicking on the column where it starts. Go to your keyboard and press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and right arrow. Or if you're a Mac user, that's Command, Shift, and right arrow. Go ahead and do that. And now you've selected all the columns on the right side. Right-click on those. Select Delete Columns J to AA. And that's how to delete columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.